Okay, so today we're going to be making a crochet star bag. And to start off, we're going to make the granny square. And I'm just going to start with some black yarn. I'm going to chain 5. And once you've chained 5, we are going to slip stitch in the first stitch. And we are going to chain 3. And then we're going to do 14 double crochets. So yarn over, in the loop, out. And once you've done that, we're going to slip stitch into the third chain that you made at the beginning. And we're going to chain 5. Then you skip the first chain and you single crochet in the second, and then you do a half double crochet, then you do a double crochet and then a triple crochet, kind of like the double, except you do it 3 times. Now we skip 2 stitches, 2 double crochets, and slip stitch into the next. And then you repeat that 5 times around. So we're going to chain 5 again, skip the first, single crochet into the second, half double crochet, double crochet, and triple crochet. Then you skip 2 again, and slip stitch. So we're going to do that 3 more times. And here I am on the last time, skipping 2. I'm slip stitching into the slip stitch from the last round. And then I'm going to chain 1 and cut the yarn to fasten off. And I'll pull that through. Now I'm changing my colour to a grey, and I'm going to single crochet on that top chain, so it's the 5th chain, on one of the points, and then I'm half double crocheting in the single crochet. I'm double crocheting in the half double crochet. I'm double crocheting but with a loop at the beginning. And then I'm going to triple crochet together, so yarn twice, pull through those loops, pull through, don't pull through the last one. Start off and triple crochet again, go into that first chain, pull through two, and then pull through all of those. Now to do these DCVs, as I call them, you start off the double crochet the same, you go in the loop, you pull through, and then you pull through one, you pull through two, you pull through two. Double crochet, and then here's the half double crochet, I'm also going to leave written out instructions for each of the abbreviations in the description. And then we're going to single crochet on that top chain. And then you repeat that around. Okay, so now we're going to slip stitch in the single crochet. We're going to chain one and half double crochet in that first stitch. Then we're going to single crochet 3 times. Then we're going to half double crochet again. And then double crochet. And then we're going to do the DCV. So, and then triple crochet. And then we chain 2 and we triple crochet again in that same loop or same stitch. Then the DCV. Double crochet. And then after you've repeated that around, we're going to slip stitch and chain again. And this time we're going to single crochet along all the sides. So in each stitch, you single crochet, and then when you get to the spaces made by the chain 2 in the corners, you are going to single crochet and then chain 2 and then single crochet. So I think we're coming close to a corner. And then single crochet, chain 2, and then single crochet. And you repeat that around all the sides. Okay, and then you slip stitch into the first single crochet, and then we fasten off with a chain and then cut them. And now you're just going to do that a bunch of times. So I made 8 grey ones and 7 black ones. And then you're going to slip stitch it in that pattern. And I'm going to single crochet around the top of the bag. So just single crochet in every stitch. And I decided to single crochet in the back loops. So you leave that front loop open. Once you've done that, I'm going to use an invisible join to join it together. So that means you skip one stitch and you insert your yarn. And then it's kind of hard to see, but I put the needle through 2 loops. And then I'm going to tie it kind of loosely and double it. Okay, now I'm going to make the strap. So we're going to half double crochet 6, and we're going to try to keep it on the middle of the point. And then I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to half double crochet again in all 6. And you're basically going to repeat that until you feel like your strap is long enough. Once you've done that, you're just going to fasten and leave a tail to sew it to the other point. And then you just pull that through. And then try to keep it even. I'm just going to try to find the center and match it up. And sew the pieces together. I'm just going to leave it because I will add a lining to it, but you might just want to leave it on the ends. And there's the finished product.